Levigation is the process of reducing the particle size of a solid by triturating it in a mortar or spatulating it on an ointment slab with a small amount of liquid in which the solid is not soluble. The underlying goal of levigation is to transform the substance from a solid state to a consistency somewhat similar to that of a paste, utilizing a levigating agent, and thus facilitating the incorporation of the solid into a cream or ointment base. Levigation allows the solid to be more uniformly and homogeneously incorporated into the base, as well as eliminating the gritty feel in the final product that might occur if levigation were not performed. The following slides will visually illustrate the levigation of sulfur utilizing the spatulation technique and using mineral oil as the levigating agent. The first step in the process is to weigh the required amount of the solid ingredient which you wish to levigate. In this illustration, we have selected to use 1 gram of sublimed sulfur. Secondly, we need to select and measure a volume of levigating agent to be used in the levigation process. The selection of an appropriate levigating agent is dependent upon the characteristics of the base in which the levigating solid will be incorporated. When we consider the volume of levigating agent to be used, the general rule of levigation is to use the minimum amount of agent required to levigate the amount of solid. For this illustration, we choose to utilize 1/2 milliliter of mineral oil. We begin by placing our solid sulfur onto the ointment slab as shown. Next, we add a portion of the levigating agent either directly onto the solid or just adjacent to the solid on the ointment slab. Next, utilizing a large stainless steel spatula, we begin spatulating the solid into the levigating agent using a forceful circular pattern on the ointment slab. The spatulation process is continued until no more solid can be incorporated into the initial volume of this levigating agent. At this point, another addition of levigating agent is made and the spatulation process is continued as previously outlined. This process is continued until all of the solid has been incorporated with the levigating agent. The final levigated product should have a pasty or thick lotion type appearance. In this levigated state, the solid is now ready to be incorporated into many pharmaceutical bases.